So what we see here, it's a simulation of a mail client given as part of the Eclipse RCP examples. So we can see it's not a big application, but it uses a lot of features of Eclipse RCP and the graphical library SWT. So straight to the point, the first mechanism I propose to demonstrate is this idea of GUI-driven code tracing. And what is that about? Is we have an application running, and then we can click on its widgets and get a trace of those objects in the code. So for example, I can make a alt click in this spam checkbox here, and what do I get? I get a view here in the IDE and with this timeline, and I can go through, and this will show me all the instructions from the creation until the last one that were done on that button. As another example, might be interested in knowing where is this column here. So I do alt click on this column. So this is in another file. The same mechanism, I have the snapshot to just remind me where I got this trace from, and here's the column. Or I could go yet to another column, which is like the same type of object, but it's different object. So, and this is the other column. I could also, sometimes it's useful to trace elements that are not fully visible, for example a composite. So all this area here, it's a composite, and if I hit another special keystroke, I can get the object that is underneath. So now I have traced the whole composite. So it was this banner here. Okay, so this was the first mechanism. The second one is about feature location, and it integrates with Mylin, so I'm going to briefly show you that. So let's suppose this feature here is not implemented, and I want to find the code where this click happens. So I activate the Mylin task, and which at first is empty, and then I'm going to activate some recording mode. I'm going to demonstrate what I want to locate. Okay, and what we've seen there is that this active task context gets populated with everything that executed while I was recording, and then I can go and iterate through the elements, and though I find here that listener that executed,